Hello everybody. I would like to demonstrate how to use Aftergen 3D to prepare model for 3D printing. For this session, I'm going to demonstrate how to slice a big model and turn it into multiple small parts, and so you can print each individual part with you know smaller 3D printer. So this way you are able to print a much bigger model than a 3D printer would allow. Okay, let's load the model first. This is my model. Let's see how big is it. I think along Z direction is about 425 millimeter. And my printer actually is not that big. So how do I print the whole model? You know, you need help of ArcGIS 3D software. So let's see, what we can do with the software. And first of all, let's turn on the 3D printer. This is my printer, basically. The build volume of my printer. It's just so small, and this model is much bigger than the build volume. And I know my build volume is 100 by 100 by 125, and the height is 125. And this model, the real model, the height is 420 something. Okay, let's get started. And first of all, let me turn on the global system planes so we can see better about where we are. And in order to cut the model, you need to select it first. And we select this model and go to this model menu. There's the clipping. Select the first one, coordinate plane. And we want to cut along Z axis. So let's find out the location where to cut. Let's say we want to cut somewhere here. Okay. You see the Z location here is about 362, right? Okay. Go back to the clipping menu, and we just found out is 360. Let's cut it at 360, and go ahead. It takes some time. Now it's cut. You see the big model is sliced into two parts, and we can turn this part off, so you can see this, the top part, and this is the model. Let's see if this one fits 3D printer. Looks like it's perfect for my 3D printer build volume. Okay, you can continue to cut. Let's say I want to cut it somewhere here, right? And we find out the location first. And here is the location I want to cut, 320, right? So I can repeat what I just did. Cut at 320. You see the model is cut again, right? You can just keep going. And actually I have a model which I prepared before, and let me show you the whole model. Sorry, this is not the one. this is the model. You see how this is how I, slice the model into smaller pieces, and I was able to print the whole thing, individually, and glue them together to have, a much bigger model than my 3D printer can print. Okay, I think that's what I had for this demo, and thank you so much.